Really confident start from Fils. Will be looking to overpower this guy with that forehand. Oh, it's a clean winner there from Fils. Brutal, relentless, and highly effective. Oh, Martínez just hanging on there, and eventually Fils just pulls the trigger. Sealed with an ace. Out your Fils. It's back-to-back quarterfinals in Barcelona for Arthur Fils. Another display of power and precision. The forehand, in particular, was deadly today. Simply too much for the clay court specialist Pedro Martínez.